Hello.
Wait, yeah.
Hello, hello. Hello, Moon. Good evening. Good evening, good evening.
Now,
Wow. Good evening and welcome again to our class, Moon. It's nice to see you again.
teacher.
Yes. Yes.
You was today was next day.
What did you
Now,
say?
now it's next or day.
It's night. It it it
Yes.
is also night in my
But
house.
the one was night.
A what?
It's a day.
Okay, so now Moon, how are you today? Are you happy today?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Did you already eat? Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Wow, it's very good to know. And are you ready for the continuation of our lesson today?
Mình ơi, trật tự con.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I'm
So for the
ready.
yes, wow, that's very good. That to know that you are ready. So for this one, we will continue our lesson last time, which is about jungle friends. So for this one, if you still remember, what animal is this? Can you tell teacher what animal is this in the video? It's a what
It's
animal?
a bird.
It's a bird. Very good. So it's a bird. So now, let's read the sentence here. So what is the bird doing? Moon. The
It's a
bird.
fly.
Yes, very
Bird
good.
is
The
fly.
flying
In the sky.
in the sky. Wow, very good. So the bird is flying in the sky. Good job. And Moon, what is the color of the sky? What is the color of the
It's a
sky?
blue.
It's color blue. Very good. So the sky is blue. So
Blue.
good job. So this one is a bird. So it's flying. Now next. Ego, ego.
Ayo, 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 ayo,
Okay,
ayo,
okay, so what
ayo.
animal is this? Ego. What animal? It's a
It's a frog.
okay, very
Ayo,
good. Ego. Very good. It's the frog. And what are the frog doing? What are the frogs doing?
it's jumping.
Very good. So the frogs, let's read the sentence. The frogs
It's
are
jumping.
jumping. Very good. So now let's look at the video. How many frogs are there in the picture?
I can see. Two plus two equals four. Four.
Very good. Wow. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Wow, you're so smart. So good job. So we have 4 frogs. So there are 4 frogs in the picture and they are jump they are jumping. Okay, so very good. So this
Ayo,
one
ayo.
is ego. Okay, so let's go with our next. What animal is this?
It's a tiger.
It's a tiger. Very good. And what is the tiger doing? The tiger is
Tiger is
running
running.
in the what?
Running.
In the
The
what do we call this one?
tiger
In the
is running
running.
in the grass.
Wow, very good. One more time. Let's say grass. Grass. Can I hear your grass? Let's say grass. Grass. And what does the tiger sounds like? Moon. Rawr, rawr. Roar. So that is the tiger. So very good. So next one. What animals are this? What
1 plus 1 equals
animals?
2
One plus
monkey.
one. Wow, very good. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So these are two monkeys. And what are monkeys doing? What are
It's
they doing? The
a ramen.
monkeys. Very good. The monkeys are climbing in the tree. Okay, very good. So now let's look at the picture. Do you know what kind of tree are they climbing? Do you know what kind of tree is this? This one is
This
a
one is
coconut
uh,
coconut trees. So we call this a coconut. So this one, these are coconuts. Okay. So how
coconut.
very good. How many coconut tree are there in the picture? How many? There are
2 plus 2
one,
equals 4.
four.
And 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Very good. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So there are two
Yeah, I
coconut
two.
trees. Okay, very good. Wow, good job. So next one, let's go with this. Oh, let's look at these tiny animals. What animals are
The
these?
end.
It's the ants. Very good. How about this one? What
An
animal
end
is this? This.
is the
It's a bird.
bird. Bird.
It's a bird. Very good. Okay, and what is the bird doing? The bird
The bird is flying.
eating. The bird is fly. Yes, very good. The bird flies. But in this picture, Moon, what is the bird doing? It's eating. Eating
It's
what? Eating
and
ants. Very good. Very good. So the bird in the picture is eating ants. Yes. So the ants are the bird's food. Okay. So good job. So next one. Oh, so we have here objects. We have the non-living and living things. Okay. So when we say non-living things, moons, so these are the things that are not alive. They are not alive. They cannot grow, they cannot eat, and they cannot move. For example, this one. My toy. This one is my toy. What animal is this? Ting. What animal is this? Moon. Ching ching ching. Look at what animal is this? It's
it's
a
rabbit.
yes, very good.
Memory thought
It's a rabbit. Okay.
is a memory rabbit.
Yes, strawberry. It's a strawberry rabbit. Okay, so for this one, this is an example of a non-living things because is this rabbit can move? Is this rabbit can move? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, where are you going? Where is
She
Moon
does.
going?
She going to see my mom.
Oh,
Mom is taking a
okay.
bath.
Your mom is
Taking
taking a
a
bath. Oh no. Oh, she also got a rabbit. Wow.
non-living
That's
thing.
that's so cute yet very good. That is a non-living
Black
thing.
rabbit.
Very
Yeah.
good. Good.
Yeah, a pink rabbit.
Pink rabbit. Very good. How about mine? What color is mine? What color is my rabbit? Color?
Color,
What color?
color is moon is pink. Her, her teacher is white and pink.
Very, very good. Wow, good job. So this is color pink. So this is a non-living thing because a toy rabbits cannot move or they are not alive like us. So next, we have here living things. So when we say living things, these are the things that are alive. So they can grow, they can eat, and they can breathe. Okay, so like us, like moon. So moon is a living thing because moon can grow. Also, moon can eat. Moon also can move. Okay, so we
It was
are
living.
living things. Okay, so now let's take a look at our first picture here. And let's analyze moon. Is this a non-living or living thing? Moon. Non-living or living thing? This one. Moon. What is this? Do you know what is this in the picture? Hmm. What is this?
Hmm.
It's
It's
a,
uh,
we call
it
it as fence. We call it fence. Okay. So moon, is a fence a non-living or living thing? What do you think? Non-living or living thing?
is it
I- is a fence alive? Can the fence move? Can the fence eat? Is this a non-living or living thing? Moon.
Fan do
So
not
this,
eat.
yes, very good. Fans do not eat. So therefore, it is a non
Not
non-living
is
non-living thing. Yes.
living everything.
Okay, wow, very good. So therefore, so fans not living thing. Wow, what's that? What is that? Is that your necklace? What? So cute. Okay, so very good. This one is a non-living thing. How about this one? Let's look at the second picture. This one. This boy. This boy. Is this a non-living or living thing? Is is the boy can eat?
Is a boy have mouth? Is a
The
boy
boy have
is eat?
very good. The boy can eat. Does the boy can move? Can the boy move? Yes or no?
Mm.
Can it move? The boy? He can move. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, like your brother.
Yes.
Your brother can move. So, so this one, the boy is the boy is a living, non-living or
I
living
go.
thing. Ego. Is the boy a non-living or living thing? The boy is a
Is
living a living, living thing.
a
B-
TV.
Yes, very good. Because like us, so the boy is a person or a human. So this boy can eat, it can move, and it can grow like moon. Okay, so next, let's go with this animal moon. What animal is this? Wow. What animal? What animal is this? Arf, arf. Oh, meow, meow. Is it a meow, meow or arf, arf? Arf, arf, meow, meow or arf, arf? It's
What?
a
What?
Woof,
Whoop,
woof.
whoop,
Yes. Wow, very good.
whoop,
It's woof.
whoop, whoop.
Okay, what animal is a woof woof? It's a dog.
Yeah. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Dog. Very good. So is a dog a
I
living?
go.
Like is a dog a living or non-living thing? A dog is
It's living.
a living. Wow, very good. Living thing
Yeah,
because a dog,
it has mouse.
yes, it
It's
has mouth.
living.
It can eat. The dog can eat. Okay, how about this one? What is this? This is a
Uh,
we call we call it as water hose. Water hose. So it is what we use when we plant. We plant or we water our plants. Okay, so is a water hose a non-living or living thing, Moon? Non-living or
it's like
living thing?
backward. It has and the race bell.
Okay, is the water hose a non-living or living thing? It's a it's a
It cannot
non-living.
not living.
Yes, non-living thing because in real life,
Food, food,
so
food.
water hose, so they need people for them to be open or for them to be used. Okay, very good. So next one, let's have this. What are these? What are these, Moon? What are these? These are what are these? So I have flowers here. Oh, let me get some flour. Okay, let's look at this, Moon. What is
Teacher,
this? Yes.
teacher, I have
Flower.
how about water? Water was the thing that having making things. But they are not living thing. But usually
Yes.
people think it was living thing.
Oh,
But it
it's
play a special role for plants.
oh. So in general, this one, so this is a water hose. So it is the thing that we use to transfer some water. So it is not the water itself. So this one is the water hose. So it only,
No, but I said about the water. Is the water is
yes,
living thing? Water.
water is water is a non-living thing.
No, but
Yes.
water can make him to ice. It can move.
It can move, yes, but in general,
But it
water are
was
not
non-living thing.
alive. Yes, water,
Scientists said was this play a role for plants?
yes, they are. They play
Not.
a big role
No,
for
no, no,
plants because
no,
we
no,
use,
She said it's non-living thing.
no,
yes, it's a non-living
no,
thing
no, no.
because
There, no,
water,
no,
no.
it's not.
Yes,
No,
because
no.
water cannot grow, they cannot reproduce, they can only move, but they cannot grow. So they do not have a life. But they are the reason why most of the plants are alive. Because it's their basic necessity. But in general, water is a non-living thing.
No,
Yes.
but how what did water have protein? No, only
No.
soil.
Yes. Okay, this one. Let's look at this one. Water is a non-living thing because it cannot grow, reproduce, or has energy. But it is a necessity for life. So, in general, a water is a non-living thing. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yes, it's a non-living thing. Yes, yes. Okay, but that's a good idea. That's a good idea that you know that. What is your name again? What is Moon's brother's name?
Me?
Yes, what is your name?
My name is Ming.
Oh, Ming.
M
Ming? M?
I N H.
Oh, okay. So you are Kwang Ming? Is that correct?
Yes.
Picture. It's flower.
Wow.
Flower
Wow. Okay.
was a living
Good
thing.
job. Yes, flower
Picture.
is
Uh,
a living
flower.
thing. Wow.
moon name
There-
is M
M?
O O N.
Oh, okay. Moon and Ming. Wow. So nice to meet you, Ming. So you are a good student. Okay. So for this one, good job. So flower is a living thing. So good job. So next, let's look at this moon. What is this? Wow, very good. You are writing your name. That's a good job. Moon. Oh, wow, very good. How about this one, moon? Look at this. What do we call this object? It's a
It, uh,
ba, ba,
it,
ba, ba.
uh,
It's a
it's a ball.
ball. Very
Ball.
good. It's a ball.
Meow. Dragon.
Okay. Is a ball a non-living or living thing?
Not,
Moon. Not.
not.
Very good. So, no. So, non-living thing. So, good job. It is a non-living. Good job. How about this one? What do we call this?
Không đợi toàn
Moon.
bộ là
This green colored thing. What is this? It's a what do we call this? This one, this green, brown colored thing. What is this? It's a
It's a tree.
very good. It's a tree. Is a tree a non-living or living thing?
Not,
It's
not,
a
not. Living thing.
is it not?
Not. Not.
It's a living thing. Okay, so a living thing because trees, so they can grow. They can grow, they can reproduce, and also
But she has. Non-living thing. Mẹ.
she have. So in general, trees also has life.
Nào mà
Yes.
con vui
Most
chấm bài đấy
so
ấy, thì con sẽ nói á. Con nói với cô.
okay, so very good. So very good. Good try, ang moon. So you're still did a great job. So for this one, these are the non-living and living things. So now, let's move on to this picture. Okay, so where are the children? Where is the place?
Here is pop. The baby
They
are
are,
playground. Then how did you play? Sugar. Play with
oh
them. You
wow,
play with everyone.
very good. Wow, good job. So good job. So they are in the park and they are playing together. So one
They're
children
playing in
is
the
playing.
playground. Then how did you
They
play? Sugar and
very
play
good.
with you play with everyone.
Very good. Wow. And they're playing with everyone. Okay, so good job. So very good. So next, let's go with this girl. What is this girl doing? She is playing.
She is
What do
playing
what do we call that?
Jumbo.
Very, very good. Wow, it's jump rope. This one. What do we call this? It's a we call it as skate.
Jumbo.
This one. This boy. What is
This
he
boy is
playing?
skip boy.
Very
Skateboard.
good. Wow, it's a skateboard. Good job. And this one, what is this girl doing? She is
She is drawing.
drawing. Very good. She is drawing. On this boy, what is he doing? What is the boy doing? He is
He is
playing it. Playing
playing
swing.
swing.
Yes, very good. He's playing in the swing. How about this one? What is the animal that this boy is riding? He is riding. What animal is this? Riding a
Uh,
riding a
uh,
duck. A
uh,
duck. This one. This one is a duck, but it's quack quack. Yes, very good. But it's only a toy duck. So it's not a real duck. Okay, so very good. How about this one? What animal is this? It's a
Nhưng mà anh Minh cho con viết đi.
what animal is this? It's
It's
a
a dog. What?
it's a woof 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 woof. It's a dog. Very good. Ego. What is that? What animal is that? It's a frog. Ego. Okay, wow, very good. So good job. So now let's take a look at this picture. Where is this boy? Where is this boy?
It's a boy.
In the
It's
Is he in the park or in the forest?
It is the tree.
Tree, very good. So where can we see a lot of tree? We can see a lot of tree in the forest. Yes, in the forest. So next one, what is the boy doing? The boy is
The boy
taking
is Ricky
taking a
taking a
picture.
picture.
Yes, very good because
Chụp ảnh.
very good. So because look at the boy. He has a camera and he's taking a picture. Very good. Now let's take a look. Okay, now let's take a look at the clothes of the boy. What color is he wearing? What color is the boy's shirt? What color is his shirt? It's color
White.
white. How about his shorts? It's color
It's color brown.
brown. Very good. Now let's take a look at the flowers. Can you tell teacher how many flowers are there in this picture?
One,
How many flowers?
two,
1, 2,
4.
3, 4. How many? There are
Oh, yeah, 4.
4 flowers. Very good. There are 4 flowers. How about how many child how many child is there in the picture? How many there is?
That is
There is one what?
one
Boy.
boy. One boy.
Very,
They must have
very
many boys.
many boys. Where?
They don't have many boys.
Very
It's
good.
boys.
One boy, only one boy. Very good. So good job. Wow. So we have already finished our lesson 3. So jungle friends. So good job in finishing completing our lesson, Moon. You did a great job in this lesson because I can see that you still remember what animals did we learn last time. So for our next lesson in our next class, so we will talk about a new lesson which is about plain animals. Yes, very good. So for this one, yes, we will learn about this in our next lesson. So since we do not have much time, so it's a bye-bye, Moon. So teacher did enjoy our class today. See you again soon. Take your rest. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
for now.
Bye bye. You did a great job.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.